Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are fine. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make these delicious coconut buns. So guys, here are the two coconuts that I'm going to be using for this recipe. If you cannot find the fresh coconut, you can as well use the shredded coconuts. I prefer using the fresh one. And for the ingredients and the measurement I'm going to be using for this recipe, I'll be leaving everything in the description box below. So I'll break off my coconut and I take off the skin. I'm going to be blending one bowl of this coconut into a smooth paste, while the other one I'm going to extract the milk from the coconut. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and remember to set that notification bell icon to all. That will always notify you anytime I upload a new video. Now I'm going to be blending the coconut into a very smooth paste. Guys, you need a very strong blender to do this. I'll be leaving the link of this blender that I'm using in the description box below, so you can check it out if you like it. So I've blended my coconut. As you can see, I have some coconut milk and some coconut that I blend into a smooth paste. And here is the all-purpose flour that I'm going to be using for these coconut buns. I'll be using some butter, sugar, baking powder, powdered milk, vanilla extract, salt, nutmeg, and 2 eggs. For this recipe, I'm going to be using some frying oil. You can use any oil of your choice. In a clean bowl, I'll be adding my flour, baking powder, sugar, powdered milk, salt, and I'm going to be grating some nutmeg. Now I'll be mixing all the dry ingredients. I'm going to mix everything together. I will make a well at the middle and I'll add some butter. I don't want to add too much butter for this recipe because coconut milk has a lot of fat, so I don't want too much fat for this recipe. I'm going to be mixing the flour with the butter together. So now I'll be adding the blended coconut. I'm going to make sure that I mix everything together very well. So now I'll be adding the eggs. I'm going to be adding the milk. You need to add the coconut milk bit by bit. Don't pour it all at a time just the way I do, because sometimes your butter may be too soft. That is why you need to add it bit by bit until you get to your desired consistency. So now I'm just going to set it aside to relax for about 5 to 7 minutes. it's time for me to start frying the buns. Now I'm going to be adding the frying oil into my pan, and I'm going to heat the oil. And you need to control the heat. You don't want the heat to be too high or rather too low. You just want to be at the middle and keep an eye on it. I'm just going to be testing it. As you can see, the oil is already hot. I'm going to be frying my buns. And also, if your heat is too high, your buns will cook outside but inside will not cook. And if it's too low, your buns will soak oil. So you don't want to have any of these problems. So you need to keep an eye on it. Just check it time to time. So now I'm going to be flipping the buns. You just need to stir the buns so that the both sides will cook very well. I'm just going to be doing this until the buns is golden brown. So guys, the buns is ready. I'm going to take it out of the oil, and you need to spread a kitchen napkin in a bowl or in a plate, anywhere you want to put it. That will help absorb the excess oil. So guys, as you can see, this buns was so delicious. You can give it a try and let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. You can as well share it with your friends and family. I love you all guys, and I will see you again in my next video with another delicious recipe. Bye bye. Ciao.